From Yemen. We have an office in China. We have a factory in Yemen. It's called Iron Wire and Fencing Factory. We chose so many factories of the machines, and after check 6 factories, we decided to buy from JIAKE, and JIAKE was from these 6 factories of the machine. We decided to buy from him because his factory is the best for the quality, and now we buy 6 years ago we buy 6 machines. After we buy the 6 machines from JIAKE, we got the quality of JIAKE is the best, because quality is the best than